All right, everybody. This is the last assignment before the final exam, and I've given you a good kind of framework for this in the welcome week video. So if you're unsure of exactly what to do, go back and listen to that video. I just want to remind you all of a couple of expectations just so that we finish strong. 400-word discussion post due by Thursday at midnight. 200-word reply due Sunday at midnight. This whole week is reflective in nature, learning how to reflect, express that reflection in a way that's uplifting to all involved. And so it's a good thing for us to learn and practice. Some people are naturally bent towards this. Some people it is a big struggle because their tongue just wants to say everything that possibly went wrong in the process in a way that may be harmful and not the best. So make sure that you are really using wise judgment as you go through and think about this reflection from your virtual project. And I hope that you can glean good things from one another as we finish up the course together. So next week, the grades should be posted unless anything goes a little bit squirrely. Grades should be posted by Thursday. They'll be posted no later than Friday morning at 9, but my goal is to have them Thursday around midday. So I hope that everyone finishes super well, that you have a great rest of your summer, and I'll look forward to if we have any more classes together in the fall or future semesters. I'll look forward to our time together. Thanks, y'all, for making it a great semester.